Hello there. All right. I forgot I hadn't filmed this one yet. Anyways, it is an old Wetter, 1960s, I believe they were last made or put together. They stopped making them and had a lot of parts for many years. But anyways, this is a special one, numbered 1. It goes 99 to 0 and then just keeps repeating. Keeps turning and turning, so you don't have to turn it each one by hand, so on and so forth. And 3 blank wheels, which were ground down. I've done this many times before. I don't even know if these might have been mine. Who knows? No, well, they've been damaged. I've repaired them all again. Okay. Let's put her together. You can see these are ground down wheels at the end. But it's an easy way to cut wheels because normally there's 6 wheels like these, all consecutive. And it looks to me they were all solid wheels, so they only wanted 99, or else they'd have a whole bunch of zeros around them. And all solid would mean that they would all be showing. You can't get rid of the zeros. You have a number and 6 zeros behind it. Anyways, it's numbering. It's numbering on a printing press sequence. Anyways, what else have we got here? All right, still look good. Okay, come on. Whoops. And it feeds in. Just gonna keep turning it. Never force it. You should never have to force it. Just something out of alignment if you're forcing the shaft. See, it did go in eventually. Okay. I'm gonna take a screwdriver because I have to match that through the swing frame, then through the edge of the frame. You'll see how it pops, drops, and it'll drop. There in the swing frame, and come on, where are you? Hey. Come on, kitty. Oh, she's having a problem. I believe it's not in the right. Try that. And there we go. That's better. It's a wee out of alignment. And that's odd because that does not match. So it has to be this side up to that point. So the V is there. Now I'm sure that one is no good. Leave this small one. Wait. 2, 3. I believe this one was it. I've already had to replace a lot of these screws, but just specific screws, or everyone did their own size. See, now will this one, is this one a fit? And let's go. She locks. Yes, she locks. Good. I went searching for some for these. Lots. Okay, that's one set. Now you run free. Let's see. Where are you? That tells me that this swing frame, you see that little deeper notch? That's where the plunger pin goes. Through the frame into this free-wheeling swing frame. So as the plunger comes up, change it. There's pressure on a spring. And where is it? Here it is. Spring goes in. Well, we'll just do it. That goes there. This. Oops. Oops. Wrong way around, I believe. Press into the frame. This one's very tricky. You have to align the dovetail at the bottom, bring it in, align it with the swing frame, and it should snap, hopefully. Come on. There it goes. So it's flush all the way around. See, someone there damaged it before. Bad boy. Okay. Just about had to replace all of these screws. Most of them were stripped, and I had to pop the frame off and then take the stumps out. Oh man, it was just a chore. These ones have a little bit of a dovetail. They countersink in. And I have lots of the ones that are not like that. Okay, now I did pull a couple of extras out. I've been to try to see if you were one. Are you? No. Are you? Oh, it looks like it. Come on, what's going on? Okay, this one. Okay, there's a million different sizes. Made from different machines all over the world. Wetter, I believe, their patents in manufacturers in America. But I believe they were a European or German company. And it's wild. Okay, there. Part 2. Okay, just cinch these down. And I tighten them. I don't like this. A lot of them were, looks like they might have been on a vertical mealy and tapped, or no, they were been tapped left or right or something. They've been damaged. Cleaned it up though. Let's see. This is what we got to go. We got the countdown. Here's my, okay. Plunger goes down. Spring inside. Plunger goes down. Just running the for 98. Let's see. I'm depressing it as it's descending. Maybe if it's well, I do it this way. Whatever. Yeah, no, maybe well, I don't do it with my left hand. But if you want, look at it this way. It's just odd for me because I have to do it for you. There we go. Ba-bang. And that's another one. So there you go. Complete. 2 Model 13s, 2 Model, I can't remember the name, what the model number they were. But they were close to a Model 18 with the 3/16 character, which is different. Okay, anyways, there you go. Have a great day.